Do you hear that pretty bird singing?
Yep.
Let's introduce it to the other birds and film the behavior of the birds.
How do you plan on doing that? Walk over and say, "Hi, this is Bob"?
Now, let me try throwing it into the bird bath. Hope I don't hit the others.
Stop! That's not gonna work! You are going to scare the others and hurt this one. Let me get a ladder. And we will gently toss it into the bird bath. Hey, are you recording this? Remember the camera?
I'm rolling, rolling, rolling.
Okay, now what?
Hey, let's confuse the birds with other odd objects.
Yeah, let's use a spoon and a monkey.
A monkey? Where are you going to get a monkey? I have a spoon. No, wait, it's a fork.
Actually, yes. See? I had my grandmother's pet monkey in the trunk of the car.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Okay, I've achieved complete boredom. The monkey was funny for about 2 seconds. I know, let's explore gas. The miracle of gas. Ooh, excuse me. Do you have a can of pop left?
Yeah, I do. But you can only have it if you don't fart again.
Okay, I'll pull the string. Ready?
Yep. Camera is rolling.
It'll explode good after shaking it that much.
Cool!
Okay, now I'm bored.
Me too. That explosion didn't last as long as I was hoping.
Well, I don't know what else we can do out here in the sticks.
Wait, I have an idea. Let's explore the effects of small dangerous objects flying through space. We can watch for the effects of gravity too.
Okay. Any ideas on what objects? I don't think we should use the monkey. Your grandma probably wants him back.
Yeah, hold on. I'll show you.
Hey! Nice stack of a bird on a can. Now what?
Well, I have an adult toy here. Let's do it again.
Now, let's go back to town and have our usual party and trash the gallery.
Yep, good idea. Hey, don't forget the spray paint. Last one at the gallery is Thomas Kincaid.
What can we do that is really powerful? You know, power like BAM or WOW or something political.
Oh! Whoa, stop the car, stop the car. I have an idea. Do you see this water tower? Let's write power on it.
Hey, why not spray paint a beautiful scene with a cabin and a stream?
Shut up, Thomas. We are making a political statement.
I know this should be political, natural resources and things. And don't call me Thomas. Now what?
I know another place you can go. It's going to be a few miles out of the way, and we will need a boat to get there.
Hey, I didn't bring a change of clothes nor a passport. Are we ever gonna get there? Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you.
Here's the place now.
Wow, no shit.
Let's do pow again. This time in black.
Hey, pedal faster. We might get in trouble. Let's get out of here fast.
No shit.
That was fun. Let's do it again, or something like it. Something else.
Yeah. Oh, look! A power plant. Pull over.
Ooh, good idea. Now you're talking.
Let's make it green.
Power.
Yeah, it's green. Wow.
Okay, let's go to our party. People are waiting for us.
Yeah, Mr. Kincaid. Let's get going.
Look, don't call me Thomas Kincaid or Thomas Kincaid.
Oh, crap! Cops! Run!
So, what do you think about this video?
I think it has a cathartic feel, like when you scream at the top of your lungs in a tunnel. You should try it sometime.